Hi CCU, this is Reverend Maggie Alderman, and I want to invite you all to participate in our annual meeting after service on January 30th. This is a time when we get to hear your voice and where you get to see all that we've done in the past year and all that we hope to accomplish in the year ahead. Your voice matters. Your input matters. Your power in action helps develop the projection of this community. We could not do it without you. Now we're going to be in person and online. If you're a voting member already, you can register to attend via Zoom, where your vote will count, and that's found on our website. And if you're just a contributing member of our community, please come and be informed. We're better together, and we'll see you then.